I could have put this in the video, but I want this to be a surprise. Look at the team! Look at the team. Look at the team, man. You got Eric Bledsoe at point guard. A point guard that is a very good point guard. Can do stuff for us. And at shooting guard, we got Ty Lawson. He's a player that got arrested for drinking and driving. Just don't do that here, buddy. And at small forward, we got Ben Simmons. We drafted him. He was the 4th pick. For some reason, the top 3 picks, Ben Simmons and Buddy Hield were still there when we got to our pick, so not complaining. At power forward, we have Dirk Nowitzki, and at center, we have Derek Favors. That is our starting 5 for the new season. Now, our bench, we signed our backup point guards, so we had to get this guy in the draft. Talking about draft, the football draft is coming on tonight. Oh yeah, this is our bench. It's looking pretty good. One thing we're gonna go after is another point guard because I didn't think about that. Point guard. Alright, Jerry Bayless accepts. So you run the back at point guard position. And yeah, we're gonna... We have to sign a coach, really. You have to sign a coach, and we're gonna get Mr. K. Broom, because he's a great coach. No, we're gonna get Mr. Mark Hunt, because he's a great coach. Mr. Mark Hunt. Oh, man. So we're going on to the new season, man. And this team, I'm pretty sure this team should make it to the playoffs. Don't know. What our record will be, but I have high expectations for us this season. Maybe I think we're going to be a playoff team. Don't know how far we're going to go in the playoffs. Yeah, we're going to simulate 1 month. Hopefully we can do something. Okay? No! Stop taking L's! Stop taking L's! I hate this game. How do we lose with this team? Dang, let's see who's not performing. Who is not performing on our team? You gotta perform. Eric Bledsoe and Tyson Chandler are both on 1-year deals. Eric Bledsoe, yeah, he low-key might have to go. Kyrie for Eric Bledsoe. Liking this deal. I'm liking this deal. Do we go back to that deal? Yo, that deal was low-key nice. Yeah, we're gonna go back to it. Low-key. Kyrie, man. Kyrie to be the star of this team. Like, I'm not even mad about that trade. Okay, this trade is looking nice. You Fraggy. Team looking good. Come on, something this month, man. Something. Okay? We did doing solid this month. Team, do I do this early? Do I get the worst team's pick early? And there's a bunch of players like we can trade. Okay, see? This is new to me, man. This is new to me. But I'm gonna go for Charlotte's pick. I feel like OKC can turn it around. I don't think Charlotte can do that. They low-key don't want their pick. I'm doing that deal. Oh, OKC, yeah, they might have lost KD. Why is OKC so bad? Yeah, they might have lost KD. But still, they got Westbrook, right? You thought Westbrook could do something for the team. You thought Westbrook. You thought wrong. Westbrook's not a great leader. I don't know what rhymes with leader. I was trying to make a rap. Ooh. 7 and 8. Got Charlotte pick. Who's playing very bad now? Kyrie. Getting buckets. Don't know what I'm saying. Charlotte's still playing bad. We want to get that first pick. Who's in the draft? Don't know who the draft. Jerry West. Okay, this is something new. So, they actually put a legend in there. There's a legend, and I guess we'll unlock these. By the time goes on, we need the first pick. We need the first pick to get Jerry West. Low key needed. Cause I've heard people say they've got Kareem Abdul-Jabbar in this game. I'll be like, how you got Kareem Abdul-Jabbar? How you got Kareem Abdul-Jabbar? Like, that's not possible. And they'd be like, you can get him in the draft. I'd be like, what? Now I know it's actually possible. Okay, so Michael Jordan, that means Michael Jordan could possibly pop out in the draft one time. Now, you know, if Michael Jordan popped out in the draft, like, I would have to get the first pick. Like, I would have to, okay? So, if this is actually a true rumor, I'm not even going to do anything. I'm just going to simulate the rest of the season to the playoffs, man. I'm just going to simulate to the playoffs. Actually, I'm going to do this. We're getting dubs. Could we make that AFC finally? Finally? Oh, Ben Simmons got second in Rookie of the Year. Okay. Did we make the playoffs? No, we didn't. Let's see who wins the finals. Okay, man. But yeah, hopefully we can get that first pick. Be able to get that Jerry West. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be going by our pick if we get like a low pick in the NBA draft. Yo, Jerry West, please don't be gone. Please don't be gone. Jerry West, please don't be gone. Don't be gone when we get into the draft. Portland wins the finals? What? What in the Blue Mound? Oh, they had KD. Okay. Dirk retires? Okay. Kyrie, we gotta renew you. Kyrie, no, we need you, Kyrie. No. Since we're gonna try to get Jerry West, I'm not re-signing Kyrie. That might have been a new move. The 7th pick, he's gonna be gone. He's gonna be gone, man. He's not there. Dang, that was a new move. That was a new move. Okay, man. He's gone. He's gone, man. Okay, man. Next year, we're gonna get somebody. Next year, we're gonna get somebody that can actually help the team. Dang, man. It's gonna hurt not to get him. Okay, but he's the first legend I got. Maybe a legend will pop up in this draft. Maybe we can get another legend. We can't get Stephen Curry. No! We need Kyrie. We're giving them the max. Yo, we need Kyrie back. Resign Kyrie. No! Dennis Schroeder. Resign, bro. Resign. No! Dennis Schroeder. Oh my gosh. Alright, Patty Mills. We're giving Patty Mills the max. Patty, if you don't sign. Patty. Okay, Patty. Okay, Patty. Yeah, well, that's gonna be episode 2. But, I mean, yeah. Episode 2. Dang, man. I'm still mad. Peace.